Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Tekken 7 not opening easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you need to do just right click on it, go to properties, and here you will find compatibility. Click on it. Now enable those options, disable full screen optimization, and run this program as an administrator. You will find it like that. Just turn it on. Now click apply and OK. After that, right click on your PC. Wait, first just try again, and if that doesn't fix your problem, right click on your PC and go to NVIDIA control panel. And after that, just go to click use my preference and move it to performance and click apply, and that's it. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.